Hey everybody, this is Ryan from 810 Metalworks. I've been with the EDGE Army for coming up on 2 years now. My favorite EDGE cups, I really could not narrow it down to just one, so I brought a few of them. For steel and just general steel, whether I'm doing scrap art or whatever, I'll typically reach for the GL10. For aluminum, I like going for the GL8 quartz series, which holds up to the heat of aluminum really well. And then for stainless, I generally go for the GL15 or the 18.
Hey guys, my name is Johnny Jones, also known as Johnny Dabs. I've been a part of the EDGE Army now since 2022. My favorite cup is gotta be the EDGE Welding Cups GL18 Shorty. Just because of how much I can do with it. I can go from stainless to titanium, and I know I'm good on gas coverage.
Hey guys, Austin Hill here. I've been with EDGE Army for a little over 4 years now, and my favorite cup is the GL18.
What's up guys, Brad White here. EDGE Army member since 2017. Can't believe it's actually been that long. It's a long time. So just want to talk about my favorite cup, the 15, Shorty 15 to be specific. I remember the original 15, and I started getting Stacia and Eric and them to see if they could shorten it a little bit. Others had already done it and stuff, but kind of doing that and then finding out that a lot of other cups work that way, and kind of turned into the Shorty Series. I'm not claiming that. That's just what happened. So I like the 15 because I do it on a thin sheet metal. Works amazing on stainless. Of course, it's just one of my favorites. Another honorable mention that almost made it is the 10, the laminar flow 10. Actually, that one, I use that one a lot. And then the quartz 5 in the 920 series. That's usually what I do on aluminum. I also have the case that has the 5 favorite cups in it for me. So there's that. Awesome.
Hi, my name is Chris Coles with AMF. I have been with the EDGE Army for about 3 years now, and my favorite cup is the GL8. This works great in a tight area or in a wide flat area, so if I need anything, go to my 8 and it works great.
Hello, this is Dusty from Pacific Arc TIG Welding. I've been on the EDGE Army for a few years now. My favorite EDGE cups is going to be this one here. This is a number 6 for aluminum and a number 15 with the screen in it for stainless steel. I could get away with just using those 2 cups. They're my favorite. Well done.
Hey guys, EDGE Fabrics here. I've been with the EDGE Army since 2018. By night, I'm a journeyman crane mechanic, where I do a lot of welding, fabrication, electrical mechanical repairs on hammerhead cranes. By day, I do nut and bolt restorations on classic cars and trucks. I've been trying to figure out what my number 1 go-to EDGE cup is, but I haven't been able to figure out just one. But I did narrow it down to 3. First one being, if I do any kind of aluminum work, my go-to cup is a quartz number 7. Main reason is, it'll handle AC current like a champ. I put well over 250 amps on this bad boy and it takes it. I can see right through it. Makes it really nice when you're in those tight spots. And the coverage is really nice. If I have a project where I can't get a big cup in there, my number 10 is a go-to. Coverage, really, really nice and even. I can see right through it. Makes it really nice when you're in those tight corners and whatnot. Number 10 is my go-to. If I need a long stick out for those hard to reach areas, or I have plenty of room to work with, my number 15 is a go-to. Coverage is insane. I've done a stick out about 2 inches on the tungsten, and the coverage is really, really nice and even. That's why my number 15 is my go-to. These are my top 3. Thanks guys.
Hi, I'm Jerry, or Miss Metal, and I've been with the EDGE Army since 2019. My favorite EDGE cup is my number 10 quartz because I find it to be the most versatile and I use it almost every day.
Yo, people, what's going on? This is Antoine Hobbs, A Hobbs on Instagram, A Hobbs LLC on TikTok. I've been with EDGE now since 2022, so 3 years. It's been a phenomenal 3 years. Absolutely love the company, love the support, love the product. If I had to pick an EDGE cup, or cups, which cup would I pick? I like that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, Fab Tech Edition. 23, Fab Tech Edition. That one, 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 that one. All of them.
Hello, my name is Ian Milligan and I've been with the EDGE Army since 2022 and my favorite cup is a number 15.
G'day guys, James from Notion Fab here. Been on the EDGE Army since 2021. The GL8Q is my go-to cup for aluminum. Everything about the EDGE products, EDGE team, and EDGE company are just top notch.
Hello, I'm James West from James West Welding. I've been part of the EDGE Army since 2017. The GL12 is my favorite EDGE cup because it's the most versatile for my typical welding projects.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lars on Instagram, German Welder World. I'm a TIG and a MIG welder and I've been with the EDGE Army since 2022 and my favorite TIG cup is the EDGE 15.
I'm Lisa Watson, welder and fabricator. I'm a proud member of EDGE Army for 2 years now and my favorite cup is GL18.
Hey, Welder over here. I'm an EDGE Army member since 2015. My favorite welding cups are the GL12, Super Short and the GL15. For me they have the best gas coverage. For sure, the best out there.
Hi, this is Big Bong Marty from Canada. I'm part of the EDGE Army since 2022 and my favorite EDGE welding cup is the GL21. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, I'm Michael with Juggernaut Weld Fab. I've been with the EDGE Army for going on 2 years now. This summer will be 2 years. And my favorite cup would be, well, I have two favorite cups. I can't narrow it down. The Collet Body Quartz number 5 and the number 15 Shallow is the, or Short, are my two favorite cups.
What is going on, you guys? This is Tim from 2 a.m. Later. I have been a part of the EDGE Army since 2024. Yes, that is 1 year. My favorite cup is the GL15. This is always my go-to. It's on my torch every day. I weld a lot of stainless steel thin wall tubing, so the GL15 was an easy go-to choice.
Tyler Caton, aka I Go Welding, and I've been with EDGE since 2021.
Just so hard to choose.
My favorite cups would have to probably be the GL15 Shorty and the GL6Q.
Hey guys, that's Jack. I'm brand ambassador Brian Legalio, and I've had the pleasure of working with EDGE Welding Cups for the past few years. And I utilize welding cups, or the EDGE welding cups, because of how good the gas flow is, the envelope, how controllable it is, and certifications like aerospace, limit your variables, and that is a fantastic way of doing it. Not to mention amazing people, and they're great with students. So, in a nutshell, that's why I'm a part of it. That's why I align myself with EDGE, and hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey guys, I'm Wyatt Hansen. I just started doing some structural welding at the moment. I've been with the EDGE Army since 2024. My favorite TIG cup, EDGE TIG cup, is the number 21 stubby. I used it in my World Skills competition on my stainless project. Worked out super nice. The puddle had a really nice flow. Took anytime you were to dab the filler, it just went in super smooth and just laid in nice beads. It had really good shielding, and yeah.
What's up guys, it's Harrison Stone. I've been part of the EDGE Army a little over a year now. I want to say thanks to Stacia and Eric for allowing me to be part of their great team. And I also want to tell you about my favorite cup of theirs. My favorite cup of theirs is the GL15. This is a great stainless and carbon TIG welding cup. This is what I go to on most of my jobs unless it's an aluminum job. And if it's an aluminum job, I'll switch to their number 5 or their number 6 cup. But besides that, it's the GL15 every time.
Zombie here. Been with the EDGE Army for 5 years so far. My go-to cup on a daily basis is the GL12. This is what I use every day, all the time. It's my go-to cup. When I'm doing MIG welding, I go with the Zombie nozzle, exclusive through Edge. As you can see here, I've ran it quite a bit. It's perfect for overhead welding and vertical welding. No more blind spots.
Hey everyone, Jesse here. I've been on the Edge team now going on 7 years. My favorite cup is going to be this little guy right here. This is the Gaslin 7 quartz. So this is my go-to for all my aluminum work. I look around our beautiful shop here at the Everlast facility, but yep, quartz 7. That's my favorite. That's my go-to.
I'm Bryn Weld. I've been a member of the Edge Army since 2023. My favorite TIG cup to use from Edge would be a 7 quartz on aluminum, or almost anything DC would be a size 15.
Hey everyone, Johnny Snyder here with Johnny S. Weld. Just taking a moment to share with you my favorite Edge welding cup. Get asked that actually quite often, what cups do I use? I use the GL12. The Gaslin's number 12 cup is my go-to. I'm always using it on different materials, different thicknesses, and it seems to be just an overall good workhorse there in my shop. So yeah, if you don't have one yet, I would recommend getting something similar, GL12 or somewhere around that size. And yeah, proud Edge Army member since 2021. That is exciting to be able to share that, and hopefully many, many years to come. All right, thanks for tuning in.
Hey everyone, I am Danae Bushcutter and I joined the Edge Army back in 2022, and I am so thankful for the opportunities that Eric and Stacia have given me while being a part of the Army, and I am so very thankful for the incredible product that they make. And my favorite cup that Edge offers is the GL10. Me being a welding educator, I like to have a very good general use sized cup, and I believe the GL10 is perfect for that. You can get away with welding a lot of different materials without having to switch your cup, and that is why I use GL10.
Hello, my name is Bob Moffett. I've been with the Edge Army since 2018. In those years, people have asked me what my favorite cup is, and I have a really hard time answering that question, and here's why. You have a solution to about anything you run into, for me anyway. Could be my MIG cup, could be a number 15, could be a number 4. I am particularly fond of the rectangular cup for doing TIG silicon bronze on horseshoe crosses.